Hey humans, it's Brenda here with Audio 46. I'm going to continue on the bandwagon of true wireless in-ear monitors by reviewing for you guys Audio-Technica's first true wireless earphones, the AT-H CKR7TW. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what's in the box. Ta-da! Got the earphones here. Got a little pill box for the charging case. Got the right ear. And the left ear. Micro USB charger. Got various ear tips. And I'll show you guys, Audio-Technica actually provides these 3D loop supports. And these are for additional security. And you have reading material. Let me show you guys the design of these earphones, starting with the charging case. You got the Audio-Technica logo up top, a nice shade of gray. This button in the front displays the battery levels of the case, and on the back you have the insert for the charging cable. When you go back to the front, this button in the center will open up the case for you, and you'll notice that the earphones stay really nicely in because they're magnetic. The overall body of these earphones are matte gray with slight rose gold detailing in the middle surrounding the Audio-Technica logo on the earphones. They're a little bit on the chunky side to accommodate the separation of the DAC and the acoustic chamber inside, but they remain fairly lightweight due to the exterior being plastic. Both earpieces include a physical button to connect Bluetooth as well as access control features on your listening device. I personally love these buttons as opposed to a touch design because I prefer the affirmation. Just for a close-up, I want to show you guys on the right earphone you have the mic speaker. And on both earphones you have LED lights on the bottom to show you that it's trying to connect to Bluetooth. Now when you hold the physical buttons on both earphones for about 4 seconds, it'll actually give you the option of turning your headphones off. This is a great way to kind of conserve battery when you're on the go. When you hold the same buttons for 2 seconds, that'll turn them back on. Now you also have the option of just keeping these in the case, in which case they'll turn off automatically when you put them in and then turn back on once you take them out. The CKR7s use Bluetooth 5.0 technology and are codec compatible with aptX, AAC, and SBC, which means it works well with iPhones, Androids, and casual devices. Battery life is 6 hours on the earphones and an additional 9 hours with the charging case, for a total of 15 hours battery life, which lands it as one of the best on the market for playtime. Charging time takes 2 hours for both the earphones and the charging case. I'm just gonna quickly show you guys how to use the controls and the physical buttons on both sides to maneuver your devices. I'm hooked up to my phone, and let's go ahead and play the music by going to the right ear and pressing the button once. If you want to pause the song, you want to go to the same earpiece and press it once again. This is also the same way you'd maneuver picking up and hanging up a call. So let's go ahead and play the music so that I can show you. On the left ear side, to increase the volume, you want to press it once, or as many times as you'd like to increase the volume. To decrease volume, you want to press it twice. If you want to skip to the next song, you want to go back to the right earpiece and you want to press it twice. Now you want to stay on the same side if you happen to want to play back a song. You want to press it 3 times. Super easy, right? In the low frequencies, I was really impressed with the bass. While still sounding natural, the kick drums really shine through and the bass was more emphasized. While I wouldn't describe them as a warm in-ear monitor, there is a nice punchiness that flatters hip-hop and pop, contributing more attitude to the beat. There's a good distinction between the high mids and the low mids, creating a slight V-curve with the mid-range. Clarity is maintained and vocals sound just a tad forward. Now, the high frequencies, although a bit bright, never made it uncomfortable for me to listen to for a long time. With an emphasis in the upper octaves, high-frequency instruments have a sense of texture and lift, while still sounding rich and detailed. It's crucial for in-ear monitors to fit comfortably to ensure that you're getting the best experience with Soundstage. Although not noise-canceling, the sound is full and has a solid sense of height with contrast in between. Sense of depth isn't as distinct of a contrast since the high mids are more enhanced, leaving sense of space between vocals and instruments a little more intimate. I love the fit and function of these true wireless headphones by Audio-Technica, and the sound quality is distinctly better than most others on the market. The only other true wireless headphones that can compare in sound quality are the Sennheiser Momentums, and I'm not just saying that because I just did the review. I would recommend the Sennheiser True Wireless earphones for those who appreciate more classical music, and the Audio-Technica wireless earphones for those who appreciate more pop, rock, and hip-hop. The battery life is longer lasting on the CKR7s, and personally, I also prefer the fit and function, but I'd love to hear some of your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you felt enlightened, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, go ahead and subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave it below. I'll see you next time.